In this part, we'll take a look at a feature called freeze frame. So for example, you're just playing a video and in between you want a portion to freeze for a while like a picture. For that, you can use freeze frame option. I'll just play the video here once. And for example, I want to freeze this frame for a while. So what I can do is I can simply click on this option speed and click on freeze frame. Now you can see this colored portion called freeze frame. Means when you play the video will play till here, and from here the portion of that video will be freezed until this freeze frame section is completed and video will play back again. So you can just reduce the time of this freeze frame by just clicking on this edge and dragging it, or increase it as well. So I'll just put it like this. Now let's play and check it out. For example, if you want to freeze this frame here and you want to just add another video clip, so what you can do is you can split it till here and delete this portion of video and add another video clip here. I hope you have understood this concept of freeze frame. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot.